wanavyokuja polepole. Asante sana, asante sana. Shangilieni, kupiga makofi. Sawa sawa, asante.
The guest of honor, Madam Director, the principal, the head teacher, teachers, our parents, and our very special graduates, ladies and gentlemen, with a great pleasure and thanksgiving to God Almighty, I welcome you all to 2025 graduation ceremony. I am Alicia Mark. It is an honor to deliver this speech on behalf of my fellow future leaders of our country. Today is a very special day for all of us who are graduating from nursery to primary school. I thank all teachers for shaping and building character in us, our parents for provision and support. Thank you.
Wanapozunguka polepole, hao ndio wanafunzi wetu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wapi madamu wangu director? Ako wapi? Mshangilie watoto wetu.
Kuanzia kesho tutakuwa kama shuleni, tutakuwa tunaendelea na registration ya wale watoto wadogo kabisa.
Wanametameta.